In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received on an iPhone device. So number one is you want to check your phone number. So you need to make sure that you enter the correct phone number with the appropriate country code. For example, if you're in the United States, your country code would be 1. And if you were like in Mexico, for example, I believe it would be 52. I might be wrong on that, but the point is every single country has its own individual country code, and you need to make sure that you include that before you actually start writing out your phone numbers. So I made this error multiple times before, so you know what, it is something to actually look into. And next up, you want to verify your network connection. So make sure that you have stable cellular or Wi-Fi connection, because a poor signal strength can actually cause the message not to arrive. And also what could be helpful is to toggle on airplane mode for like around 30 seconds, and then after those 30 seconds you go ahead and turn it off. There have been some reports that actually does help with the connection issue. Go ahead and try that, and then afterwards see if you're able to get the code. Okay, so in WhatsApp, after entering your number, you want to wait for the didn't receive code option, which there's usually a 5-minute cooldown for, but you just want to go ahead and press on that and basically get a phone call instead of a text message, because that is also another option that you could do. Sometimes WhatsApp is a little bit glitched out and you can only get it through like a phone call rather than a text message. So I know it's a little bit inconvenient. And also make sure that your SIM card is active and that it is not blocked by your carrier. So contact your provider to confirm SMS/call services are enabled. So if you recently ported your number, the process may be incomplete, affecting the delivery of the message. So you want to go ahead and verify with your carrier. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.